This challenge was developed to address the labor-intensive process of installing noise barriers, which currently requires multiple workers and equipment in tough outdoor conditions. By automating it, we can improve efficiency, reduce reliance on manpower, and enhance safety for workers, especially working at height and in variable weather conditions. As Singapore continues its commitment to quieter public spaces, improving these installation methods has become essential.
Deploying such automated solutions outdoors presents challenges like dust, brightness, varying weather, and safety concerns. To overcome this, Azimuth has developed a robotic system with AI-powered vision. Equipped with customized gripper, the robot safely picks up each of the noise barrier panel and using AI vision as its height, calculates the exact position needed to align the panel to the guide pole for precision installation. The AI vision system is unique in the way that it operates effectively regardless of outdoor lighting conditions, whether dark or bright.
The AI vision feature will be a huge benefit for us as it will allow for extended working hours, including nighttime and early morning shifts. Automation has addressed key challenges we mentioned earlier, like reducing installation time to just 15 minutes for 6 panels with only 2 people, compared with 30 minutes with 4 people manually. It also ensures precise alignment, which minimizes panel damage and improves worker safety.
Worker safety is indeed well thought of when developing this solution. The long reach of the robotic arm has eliminated the risk of working at height and being automated and deployable even at night or early morning. It can run for long hours, removing the strain of heavy lifting and worker fatigue. Regarding the future plans with this solution, we intend to adopt it onto a motorized moving carrier cart, allowing it to install noise barrier along LTA tracks. The robotic solution isn't only restricted to handling noise barrier with its hand, eye, or brain setup. It can handle tasks like component assembly and pick and place for heavy items like simply swapping out the gripper.
At Chuan Lim, we plan to use this robotic system on multiple projects in Singapore, including the Jurong Regional Line, for installing noise barriers on MRT viaducts. We are working closely with Azimuth to explore improvements to the system, particularly for compatibility with roads, railway projects, and other specific project needs.
Being part of BEAMP has been transformative, giving us direct access to the construction industry and allowing us to integrate Azimuth's technology into new environments.
BEAMP was ideal because it promotes automation and robotics in construction. The program's collaborative environment enabled us to leverage innovative technology and work with experts such as Azimuth to develop a solution that effectively addresses our challenge, driving us towards more efficient construction methods.